Welcome to the FERGUNIZED YouTube channel. We're enjoying life to the fullest here through travel and music. Nothing can beat that. I'm on an adventure with my wife Nadine and our four-legged travel agent, Juno. We're a music-making, globe-trotting trio on a mission to find the world's weirdest and most wonderful places. Expect adventure, maybe a few questionable decisions, and definitely a lot of laughs as we explore local gems, national treasures, and international destinations. There we are, me, Nadine, and Juno. Just three city slickers pretending we belong at a desert river resort. Don't let Juno's size fool you. He runs this place. Pulling in now, and I'm already counting how many boats are worth more than my car.
Where are we?
Topock, right? Topock.
Yes.
Or is it Topock?
Topock.
Topock. Topock 66. Oh, it's nice. Kitchen.
Turn on the light.
Look at that. Kitchen, refrigerator, microwave, coffee maker.
Wow.
We're tired from climbing the stairs. We don't like the elevator. Look at that. Nice sink.
Very cool.
Very nice. We got two beds. One for me and one for Juno. And a couch for you.
And a couch for me.
And look at it. We got Route 66.
Oh, wow. That's so cool.
With the 57 Chevy. Nice. We got Route 66 headboards. A big TV. Neat little lamp.
Yeah?
Look at it.
I love it. I love it.
I love LA. They got the extra bed.
Oh, wow.
No robes. Let's
Open here.
Check out the view.
Be careful, she said. Lots of mosquitoes.
Mosquito gnats, she said. So they said if you leave the door open, gnats will come in, and also the air conditioner will turn off. So a nice view.
Very
We got
nice.
chairs to watch the sunset.
View from the room.
Let's go outside real fast.
Wow. Yes, that's on Colorado River.
Beautiful view.
You can see the pool from here and the restaurant. What do you think so far?
I think it's really cool.
Happy birthday, babe.
Thank you. Still my birthday. My birthday week. Now this is what I call small town paradise. Free Kona Beer, because hydration's important. The kids are in the pool, adults are in recovery mode, and that DJ, he's mixing straight sunshine. And check out those bar stools, shaped like butts, because why not? That's the Topock 66 way, comfort and comedy. If you forgot your swimsuit or need a souvenir shot glass for Aunt Betty, this gift shop's got you covered. Here's me sitting in the most flattering seat in the house, literally a butt chair, watching the sun dip behind the Colorado River. Not bad for a redneck Riviera. At night, the pool turns into a neon oasis. Music, laughter, twinkling lights, and me trying not to spill my drink while pretending I belong on a boat.
Babe, hey Mr. Ferguson, you forgot your pants today or what? Because it's your birthday? Juno, how do you let Daddy come out of the room like this?
Good morning from Topock, Arizona.
Yes, and the Colorado River. Very nice, but apparently it's 9 a.m. and it's super hot and humid.
If you're riding a motorboat at 6 a.m. in Topock, Arizona, you might be a redneck. Morning at Topock 66 hits different. You've got trains rolling by, boats docking, and that perfect mix of diesel and bacon in the air. I could get used to this. Breakfast time. Nadine's about to order, and I'm over here debating whether beer counts as a brunch item. Does this chair make my ass look big?
No, Habibi, your ass looks big.
There go the jet skis, off to burn more gas than my car does in a week. Now this right here, coffee, river breeze, and those famous butt stools, that's the kind of morning that makes you forget you ever owned a necktie. A quick walk to work off breakfast, or maybe just to let Juno scope out his future vacation home. Time to hit the road. We came, we sipped, we swam, and we sat on our butt stools. Topock 66, you beautiful redneck gem, we'll be back. And as the train rolls by one last time, it feels like the perfect ending to a desert dream.